Hey guys, Blackjack here, and this is the first of a series of videos into tutorials on how to use Vegas Pro 16 and Movie Studio 16 Platinum and Movie Studio 17 Platinum. Now I've got the Vegas Pro 16 via the Humble Bundle software recently for £22. This is the big brother of Movie Studio 16 Platinum and Movie Studio 17 Platinum. This software came out in 2018, so it is a couple of years old, but it's still very capable. And in today's video, we're going to show how to do transitions in Vegas Pro 16. So we've got two clips here. One of them is just me yabbering on Wednesday and Friday. And the other one is some gameplay. Now we want to do a transition between these two to make it nice and smooth. To do that, if you use a mouse wheel, you can zoom in and out. So we'll just mark here so we can zoom in and out on the marker. Just use a mouse wheel to do that, and then you just drag the clip you want to merge over the previous clip, and then you can create a crossfade. There you go. There's a crossfade. Now, you may want a fancier transition than that. To do that, you still got to create a crossfade, then you can go to transitions. We've got quite a few transitions here. This one here is a third-party one, Newbie Transitions. But you do get all these as part of the software. So if we put dissolve there, then we get some extra options if you want to. You're just going to leave it as standard and display to show what it's like. Enough. There you go. Now, obviously, that's very similar to crossfade. So let's try a different one. Try spiral. We'll just put spiral. We'll leave all these again, just to the normal. And then we display it again. Now, depending on your computer, if you try third-party ones, I'm going to put this 3D page turner here. The first time you try and play it, it might not play in the preview channel. Now, this is a very old computer. It's named the FX 8350, 16GB of RAM, and the GeForce 1050 Ti. So let's just play this. Standing off. And as you can see, it's not actually put the transition on, but if you play it again, 9 times out of 10, it could play it like that. So depending on the speed of your computer, depending on the first time you put the transition in, whether it plays the transition or not. That is how you do transitions in Vegas Pro 16, Movie Studio 16 Platinum, and also Movie Studio 17 Platinum. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe. I also stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday on the game you were just seeing then, this Star Trek Online. Links will be in the description, and I shall catch you all in the next one. This is Blackjack, signing off.